Have you ever wondered what lies at the bottom of the ocean? The dark, blue, navy abyss that no one has ever explored before. You ever think how crazy it is that we can smell a star billions of light years away, but we can't dip our dicks into the deepest depths of our own planet? My God, I think about this every day. When I wake up in the morning, I think, damn, there could be an entire civilization down there. Or there could be nothing. You never know. This planet is pretty disappointing sometimes. Have you ever thought, like, octopus and squid? It's kind of fucked up, right? They're just like weird heads with tentacles. I don't know. That just seems crazy to me. And fish. The fuck are even fish? Like, they're just like a stick of meat with eyes and a mouth. They just fly through the water. What the fuck? And I understand, like, ground animals. We all have 4 limbs. We have a head, 2 eyes, 2 ears, a mouth, a nose. It's all very uniform. Don't you think that's strange? Like, how the fuck did we all in the same, every single, like, species, like meat species, like no bugs or shit like that, like a meat animals, big, thick, meaty, fatty, bloody animals. We all got 2 eyes, a mouth, we got a butthole, we got a wee-wee, we got ears, we got hair, you know, we got noses. We got mouths and tongues and shit. How did everything become the same like that? Like, I know there's like, oh yeah, dog and cat, they like crawl. And men, we walk like chimps and apes and gorillas and fucking orangutans. But isn't that just like fucked up? Like, how come we got thumbs but no one else did? Well, I guess some monkeys have thumbs. It's kind of weird when you think about it. It's just fish, man. Fish are fucked up. They're just like meat sticks that fly through the water with no fucking purpose in the universe. They're just like, oh, I'm bored, I might as well start swimming, because it's the only fucking thing I can do. I can't jerk myself off or fucking watch YouTube. I don't have money, so I can't buy food. We're gonna just swim at this fucking grass in the water. Hopefully I'll fucking put the grass water in my mouth. You know, it's kind of fucking weird. At least with like orangutans and stuff, they got like bananas they can hunt for. They're not moved. Those things aren't going anywhere. We can just like swing around. And we're all limited by gravity except for birds. Fuck birds, first of all. I'm just gonna say that right now. Fuck birds. They're bitches. But everything else is like limited to gravity. You know, we're all on the ground. Meanwhile, the ocean is like a 360-degree death environment. You got like sharks flying everywhere. Could you imagine that if that was like the real world? If you had like orangutans and chimpanzees and fucking leopards and dinosaurs just zooming through the air everywhere you go. Just like no environment is too rocky or too hard to navigate for any animal because we just like launch through the air like a fucking Minecraft sort of creative mode player. Just fucked up when you think about it. Now, I am gonna say this. Don't you think it's weird that when we depict aliens and all these other things, they're all humanoid? Why? Why do they have to be humanoid? Why do they have to be like us? What if an alien looks like a dog? And they're a lot smarter than us, and they dictate like aliens that look like us, but like human dogs. Like, I've seen the humans before, they look like dogs, man. And then we're just like, no, you look like us. You look like dogs. No, we look like us, you idiot human. That'd just be weird. I don't know. Sometimes I think too much. I'm like black holes and shit. Like, what the fuck even is that? Have you ever thought about a black hole? Its gravitational pull is so powerful that not even light can escape its gravity. And you know, light has mass. Like, on a sunny day, like San Diego is like fucking 50 pounds heavier than it normally is just because of the light shining down on it. Isn't that fucked up? Like light just shoves you. I mean, it's not very much, but it's like over a wide area, it adds up, you know. Like if you took all the if it rained a single raindrop across the entire planet, you'd probably feel like the ocean or some shit like that, you know, like area of effect, you know, some bullshit. But man, I don't even know what the fuck I'm talking about. Am I retarded? Anyway, so back to my black hole point. If light has weight and can be affected by gravity, and light can't escape a black hole, does that mean on black holes there is physical light, hard light, because it just gets pushed into like the ball of blackness, you know? Have you ever thought about that? Like, it's physical light because it can't escape. Like, where is that gonna go, you know? I thought light was energy, but apparently it's not. It can get pulled by gravity, so what the fuck is it? It's physical. There is hard light on black holes. And this is not a conspiracy theory. This is what Neil deGrasse fucking Tyson said. He was like, yeah, there's hard light on black holes there. And he was like, I heard him say that when I was taking a shit at the Wendy's across the street. You may not believe that, but it's true. And that's just a fucking fact, you know? It's a fact of the universe. By the way, do you think it's weird that, like, time travel is just like, you can go forward in time, but you can't go backwards? Like, if you go the speed of light, you go forward in time. I mean, I guess everything's going forward in time if you really think about it. But it's just like, wow. If you were going the speed of light, you would just stop aging. You would have no idea what's going on. You're just zipping through time. Which, I mean, I guess time travel, or light speed travel between universes. Like, if we built a ship that was just fucking gigantic, and the Earth was gonna shit itself and implode and kill everything, and we built a ship, put like 1 billion people on that ship, and it went light speed to another universe, we would all survive. We wouldn't even have to like worry about cryopods or like, you know, fucking to make more babies, teaching them how to do all this shit, you know? Since time slows down on the outside, and time speeds up on the outside and time slows down on the inside, honestly, we could probably travel thousands of light years in just a couple years to us, you know? If you think about it. We wouldn't even have to worry about like food or fucking or trucking, you know? It'd be kind of cool, but I don't know what happened. We'd have to dodge some shit because there's a lot of stuff in the universe. There's a lot of emptiness in the universe. There's also a lot of dumb shit in the universe just sitting out there. Like golf balls and fucking rocks. The universe is a big shit hunk pile of shit. If you really, there's just like a bunch of fucking rocks everywhere. I wonder if there are more planets in the entire galaxy, the entire space, all of space, than there are pebbles on Earth. I wonder that. Now that'd be fucked up. I know there's probably more stars, but what about planets? Could you imagine that, walking into like into a beach and taking a step into the sand, and each one of those is like a planet in our universe, but that's only like 0.00001% of the amount of planets in our universe. That would be fucking crazy to think about, you know? And then you'd have to think like, well, how is there not other life in the universe? I did watch a video about like, you know, maybe we're the first intelligent life in the universe, and there's the reason we haven't found intelligent life is because we're the first. And I was just like, yeah, why not? Why aren't we the first? Why do we always have to be last? Why does everyone think that there has to be something out there that was before us? We were the first. I think I agree with that. Humans are the smart ones first. on this relatively young universe. Like, you don't understand, our universe is pretty young. Pretty young universe we got here. And I don't know if you know this, but we're going pretty fast. We're gonna be out there soon. Might not be me, might not be you, but it'll be someone. So just think about that shit. Alright, well, I'm done talking. Bye.